Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your first million zero to vision. Begin by clearly defining what $1 million truly means to you, setting specific, measurable financial goals for the next 1 to 3 years. Understand the current market landscape, identifying unmet needs or problems you can genuinely solve for others. Cultivate a resilient and growth-oriented mindset, embracing learning and adaptability throughout your entrepreneurial journey, as this foundational work is absolutely crucial for success. Once your vision is clear, identify a high-value skill you possess or can quickly acquire, something others will readily pay for. Start offering a service or product that directly addresses a specific market need, even if it begins on a small scale. Your initial focus should be on creating immediate value for clients and securing your first 1 to 5 paying customers. This direct exchange of value forms the cornerstone of early financial growth. As you generate income, it is vital to strategically reinvest a significant portion of your profits back into your business, perhaps 75% or even more. Look for opportunities to automate repeatable tasks, freeing up your valuable time for higher impact activities and innovation. Gradually expand your market reach by building a strong online presence and leveraging targeted marketing efforts to find new customers. This disciplined approach accelerates your path to substantial growth. Continuously cultivate a strong professional network, as connections can unlock new opportunities and provide invaluable insights. Stay committed to lifelong learning, adapting your strategies to evolving market conditions and technological advancements as they emerge. Maintain strict financial discipline, consistently saving and investing, even after reaching your initial $1 million milestone. This holistic approach ensures long-term success and continued wealth creation for your future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.